What if the devices you use daily are quietly paving the way for a future far stranger than any science fiction novel? From technologies that paint masterpieces to those optimizing entire cityscapes, AI and cutting-edge engineering are reshaping our world in truly astonishing ways. Join us as we uncover 10 mind-blowing facts about technology and AI that will make you question everything you thought you knew about tomorrow. Number 1. AI-generated award-winning art. Imagine an AI creating art so compelling it fools seasoned judges and sells for staggering sums. In 2018, Christie's auction house sold an AI-generated portrait, Edmund de Bellamy, for $432,500, shattering expectations and highlighting AI's burgeoning creative capabilities. This revolutionary technology uses generative adversarial networks, GANs, to learn from millions of existing images, then produces entirely novel works that often possess a distinct style and emotional resonance, pushing the boundaries of what we define as artistic expression. Number 2. AI and personalized education. Forget one-size-fits-all classrooms. AI is now tailoring learning experiences for individual students worldwide. Platforms like Carnegie Learning's Mathia use AI to adapt curriculum in real time, identifying a student's strengths and weaknesses with pinpoint accuracy and offering targeted feedback. This bespoke approach can significantly boost comprehension and engagement, potentially revolutionizing how billions of students acquire knowledge by 2030. Number 3. AI-powered vertical farms. Picture towering urban farms that feed entire cities using a fraction of the land and water, all managed by AI. Companies like Aero Farms use sophisticated AI algorithms to monitor thousands of plants simultaneously, optimizing light, nutrients, temperature, and humidity for peak growth and yield. This controlled environment agriculture can produce 390 times more food per square foot than traditional farming, delivering fresh, pesticide-free produce to urban centers. Number 4. AI for novel material discovery. Scientists are no longer just searching for new materials. AI is actively designing them with specific properties from scratch. IBM's RxN for chemistry platform, for instance, utilizes AI to predict the outcomes of chemical reactions and even propose synthesis pathways for novel compounds with desired characteristics. This significantly accelerates the discovery of materials for everything from super-efficient batteries to ultra-strong aerospace components, slashing years off traditional research timelines. Number 5. Soft robotics for delicate tasks. Imagine robots so gentle and flexible they can pick a ripe strawberry without bruising it, or perform intricate internal surgery. Unlike rigid industrial robots, soft robots are constructed from compliant materials like silicones and hydrogels, allowing them to bend, squeeze, and conform to irregular shapes. Researchers at Harvard's Weiss Institute are pioneering these incredible machines, designed for safer human-robot interaction and navigating complex, sensitive environments with unparalleled dexterity. Number 6. AI-enhanced predictive maintenance. The days of unexpected machine breakdowns are swiftly becoming a relic of the past, thanks to AI. Industrial giants like General Electric are deploying AI systems that analyze real-time data from sensors on jet engines, power turbines, and factory equipment, predicting potential failures weeks or months in advance. This allows for proactive repairs, drastically reducing costly downtime and saving companies billions by preventing catastrophic failures before they even manifest. Number 7. AI and drug repurposing. Instead of inventing new drugs from scratch, AI is rapidly discovering hidden therapeutic potential in existing medicines. Companies like Helix use AI to analyze vast databases of drug properties, genetic profiles, and disease mechanisms to identify approved drugs that could treat entirely different conditions. This accelerated process can bring life-saving treatments for rare diseases to patients years faster and at a fraction of the cost of traditional drug development. Number 8. AI-driven hyperrealistic simulations. Envision virtual worlds so detailed and reactive that they perfectly mirror real-world physics, powered by advanced AI. NVIDIA's Omniverse platform allows designers, engineers, and creators to build and operate physically accurate digital twins of factories, cities, or even entire planets, complete with AI-driven agents. This enables unprecedented levels of design validation, training, and operational optimization in a risk-free, infinitely scalable virtual environment. Number 9. AI for ocean conservation. AI is becoming the ocean's silent guardian, protecting marine life from poaching and pollution with incredible efficiency. Project MAP at Stanford University uses AI to analyze satellite imagery and acoustic data, detecting illegal fishing vessels and identifying subtle changes in marine ecosystems that signal danger. This intelligent monitoring system provides real-time alerts to conservationists, helping to safeguard endangered species and fragile underwater habitats across millions of square miles. Number 10. AI and holographic communication. Soon, your next video call could feature a full-body, 3D holographic projection of the person you're speaking with, powered by AI. Companies like Portal and ARHD Media are developing systems that capture and transmit high-fidelity 3D images, with AI handling the complex real-time rendering and compression. This immersive technology promises to make remote interactions feel truly present, revolutionizing everything from business meetings to family gatherings by creating a lifelike virtual presence. The landscape of technology is evolving at an unprecedented speed, consistently blurring the lines between the impossible and the everyday. To ensure you never miss out on these incredible advancements and future revelations, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community of curious minds. If you enjoyed this, subscribe to Lumifacts. We drop new facts every day, and you won't want to miss what's coming next.